Hello students, we'll see the next theory part under the operating costing. Under that motor transport costing, right? Under that meaning and objectives are over. Next we'll see the classification of cost. Okay, classification of cost. See, under the classification of cost, first one is the standing or fixed charges. Okay, standing or fixed charges. Under the standing or fixed charges are those charges which are incurred in spite of the kilometers run. They are fixed for the kilometers run. Okay. They include salary of the operating manager, supervisor salary, insurance, vehicle tax, license fees, interest on capital. These are the fixed, right? Vehicle insurance, license fees, interest on capital. These are the fixed. So these are the fixed charges. They may not change as per the increase the kilometers or as per the changing of the time. Next one, maintenance or semi-variable charges. The semi-variable charges are the charges, they are the mainly maintenance charges, the main things they are incurred for the maintenance. Okay, these are the partly fixed and partly variable. The part is fixed and partly variable. They include cost of tires and tubes, garage rent, repairs and maintenance, paints, or overall space and accessories, etc. Okay, these are the maintenance or semi-variable charges. Okay, these are the partly fixed and partly variable. Partly fixed and partly variable. They include cost of tires and tubes, garage rent, etc. Next one, operating and running charges. Operating and running charges or variable charges. Okay, these expenses are vary as per the increase the kilometers or as per the situation. These expenses vary direct in proportion to kilometers run and include petrol, diesel, grease, oil, etc. Okay, for example, petrol, diesel, grease, oil, etc. Wages of driver, conductor, etc. If payment is made on the basis of kilometers run or time, depreciation and commission of takings, if any. Okay, these are the mainly the variable cost. Okay, fuel charges, grease, oil, wages of drivers and conductors, when their wages are paid on the basis of the kilometer. Sometimes the wages is fixed for a particular month, then it's fixed, right? When the wages are paid on the basis of the kilometers run, then it's a variable. Okay, and depreciation and the commission, these are the variable or the operating and running charges. Okay, under the next operating there is one formula to calculate the passenger kilometers per month. Under this, we have to first calculate the passengers kilometers per month, or okay, for a particular period. That okay, we'll see in detail at the time of solving the problems. The formula is distance between the two places into passengers run, number of passengers run, into number of trips, into working days in a month. Okay, it's a very easy. So distance between two places, passengers run, okay, and the number of passengers and the trips, for example, one trip, two trips, working days in a month. Then we are getting the passengers kilometers for a month. Okay. Next we'll see the specimen of operating cost sheet. Cost sheet, we have to prepare the specimen of operating cost sheet. At the end we have to prepare the cost sheet, right? Operating cost we have to find it. Okay, what is the specimen of the operating cost sheet? See, format of operating cost sheet. Operating cost sheet, first we have to write operating cost sheet for the year ending. Okay, for the year we have to write. Then first one, vehicle number, it is transportation cost sheet, right? So first one, vehicle number. Then carrying capacity, carrying capacity, how much? For example, the trucks means how many quintals, like 1000 quintals, like that. For example, bus means 100 members, 20 members, 50 members. That is the carrying capacity. Now see the particulars. First one, standing or fixed charges. Okay, standing or fixed, what are the charges? Insurance, vehicle tax, license fees, general supervision, interest on capital, drivers, conductors, managers salary, and depreciation. These are the fixed. Then total of A means standing, total of A. Then B, Maintenance or semi-variable charges. Under the main things maintenance is the tires and tubes, garage rent, repairs and maintenance, paints and overall. These are the second one. Then total of B. Then the third one is the running or operating or variable charges. Running, operating or variable charges. Under that petrol, engine oil, grease, wages of drivers. When the wages are paid on the basis of the kilometers. Then the depreciation. Okay, see, depreciation is there under the fixed as well as under the variable. It's as per the given information. In the, if they're set to treat it as the fixed means we have to treat it as fixed. If they set to treat it as the variable means we have to treat it as variable. Okay, then total of C. Then grand total of A plus B plus C. We have to add A plus B plus C. Then we getting the total total grand total cost, right? Now total passenger kilometer, I told the formula to find out the total passenger kilometers, right? Okay, we have to write the total passenger kilometers. Then operating cost per passenger kilometer is nothing but grand total of A plus B plus C means D divided by total passenger kilometer, that is E. Then we getting the operating cost per passenger kilometer. Okay, this is about the specimen of operating cost sheet. Okay, under this main thing passenger kilometers per month we have to find out first by applying the formula. Then we have to prepare the, if they said to prepare the operating cost sheet, then we have to prepare the operating cost sheet. Under that first one the fixed charges, semi-variable and variable charges. Then we have to total all the three things. Then we have to divide total cost divided by that particular passenger kilometers per month. Okay, passenger kilometers per month is nothing but ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಮಂತಿಗೆ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೆಂಜರ್ kilometers. Okay, we'll see this some practical problems from the next class. Thank you.